So, in just a moment, I'm going to disclose a completely new way of making a lot of money online by utilizing Google Translate for free. Now, here is all the possible money you might make. Anything from $1,000 to $2,000, but you must follow my straightforward directions in this video. You don't need any skill or experience to accomplish this, and the greatest thing is that it's completely free. You don't have to spend anything to do this now, and it's available globally. No matter where you're from, you can utilize today's approach to start generating money online. So here's how much money you can make using today's method. If you translate one file using Google Translate, you can earn anywhere from $50 to $100. If you translate 5 files, you can earn up to $500. And if you do it for 10 files, you can earn up to $1,000. And the earning potential of this is insane because you can do it over and over again. So stay tuned and don't miss out on that. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. So in a minute, I'll show you all the steps you need to do, which you can do on your computer or on your phone, and I will teach you how to utilize Google Translate to make a lot of money online, but you must follow my instructions. So first and foremost, I want you to go to this website, and I'll leave the link to this website on the screen later so you can make money as I did. But before you go to this website, I want to show you how to sign up and explain how this works, as well as all the steps and training on this video so you can follow exactly what I did before we go in and try it for yourself. As you can see from the reward offer, there is a lot of earning potential and a lot of jobs globally on this website. As you can see from the reward offer, $5,000 up to $10,000, $2,500 up to $5,000, and $2,000. So if you're from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, or Pakistan, there are a lot of chances for you right now, and I'll teach you precisely how to do it in this video. So let me show you how it works first, and then I'll show you how to sign up and earn a free sign-up bonus free money in a moment. So make sure you don't miss out. But first, when you sign up for this website, you will be able to browse through various projects. I'd like to show you that right here in the marketplace, there are various projects, different offers, and different jobs that you can do and earn in dollars, cryptocurrency, PayPal, and a variety of other payment methods that you prefer in your country. So you can look at different open projects on the Latium platform, submit your application, and then you can start working right away and get paid within 24 hours. It's a really quick payout, and they pay on time every day. Now in step 2, you will finish the project and then submit your work through the Latium contract management system, which I will teach you how to do in a minute. So stay tuned. Finally, step 3 is the part we all look forward to getting paid. Once your work has been evaluated and authorized, your cash will be transferred to your Latium wallet within 24 hours. It's a pretty quick procedure. Right now, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and earn your free bonus money by going to the latium.org website and clicking on the I Wanna Work button. You will be sent to this page if you click on this button right here. As you can see, all you have to do now is enter your email address. Click on I am not a robot and then click continue. However, you must verify your email account, so make sure to check your inbox and click on the activation link so that they can set up your account on Latium. Now you should be able to see that you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, login, and password. Simply click on I am not a robot and then continue. So you do that once again, and you may use the Latium Face ID to authenticate your account and show your employers you mean business by saving on costs and gaining access to our finest projects for only $12. Once you register into your account, go to Browse Projects and you should be able to view all of the different projects that you can join. You can pick and choose what you want to do and you will be paid. The issue is that there are so many projects and so many things to accomplish. And I know that many of you, like myself, don't have any expertise in graphic design, for example. What is the best way to make a website or software? What is usability testing and how to perform it? The nice thing about this is that you don't really need any talent or experience to accomplish it. All you have to do is focus on the translation and language. So when you get here, click on this translation and language in the left-hand corner. So right now, you can view all of the translation and language projects that are available. And as you can see here, individuals are earning up to $25 per project simply by translating languages, such as from Hindi to English or from Japanese to English. In a moment, I'd want to offer you some instances of tasks that you may obtain and earn money from the internet. For example, you could receive a Hindi essay. As you can see above, if you translate your task from Hindi to English, you will get paid $65. Nevertheless, there are certain projects where they want you to translate from Japanese. So you have to translate from Japanese to English and they will pay you $100 per project. Once you've completed your project, they will pay you in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or other coins as shown here. Or you can get paid in US dollars via bank transfer, PayPal Money, Skrill, or Payoneer. On this website, you have a wide range of payment options to select from. In fact, comment down below on what payment method you prefer in your country. As you can see, this is one of the articles that you can receive. And as you can see, this is a Hindi article. Now, if you know anything about the Hindi language or if you are from India, please let me know because you can basically translate these Hindi articles into English and make money online. Now, I understand that many of you are coming from all over the world, so you may not be able to translate different languages. But what I want to show you in this video is how you can use Google Translate to perform your work and automate the process so that you can make money over and over again. But you must follow my instructions as outlined below. First, go to google.com. Okay. Go to google.com and put in a keyword such as Google Translate or Google Translator and then hit the search button. As you can see here, you will be able to come onto this and choose, type in and copy and paste the language on the left, and then they will automatically convert the language into English as you can see here. But this is a little task that you can complete on your computer or on your phone. So what I'm going to do is go to translate.google.com. Click this link to get to a larger version of this page that is much simpler to deal with. So first off, on the left, you want to paste the articles, and when you get your job, you can see here that you can copy everything. For example, these right here. So all I have to do is right-click and copy this one, and then come back here to Google Translate and then paste everything right here on the left. They will automatically recognize my language as you can see here, Hindi, and translate it into English as you can see. What I want to do is copy everything we copied this one, or I can just click on this copy button right here and then start a new document by clicking on the file, new, and document. Now I can put my English translation right here in this new document. So I'll go on here and highlight the next paragraph, then copy these, simply click on copy, come back here and remove everything and just paste the new text again. Now for part 2, I'll wait for the translation to English, and then I'll just copy this one again by clicking on this copy translation and then clicking on this button right here, and we will return to this document where we will then click on this entry and paste on the following paragraph right here. You can use this approach to repeat the procedure over and over again, or you can just submit the full document as shown here where you may translate the text as I have just shown you. Click on this document and you can actually click on here to browse the computer and actually upload the entire Google document right here to this Google Translator, and it will automatically translate the entire article for this. We can then submit that to various jobs and offers and we may get paid for it. For example, if you speak Hindi, you will be paid somewhat less, as you can see here, $65. However, if you're lucky, you could obtain some Spanish or German language work, which can pay up to $100 for each task, and then all you have to do is keep doing the same thing. For example, if I highlight this Japanese language and copy it, I'll go back to Google Translate and it will do the text for you. Just remove everything and then paste exactly here and it will begin translating into English. This is a really easy procedure that I believe anyone can accomplish. And don't worry, you can do it on your phone or on your computer by going to google.com and searching for Google Translator and using this software or program to do all of the work for you. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.